My name is Patrick Kelly. This is for Colorado Christian Interactive Communication, Section 3, Communication 212. I think for this class especially, it's really helping me understand how communication is important. I've never been good at communicating, especially with those around me, especially about how I feel. It's something that I've always just struggled with, and I've never really been able to do it well. I think this class is really helping me to understand why communication is important, especially with myself, my family, my friends, and God. When it comes to communicating with myself, I've always been really self-critical about, especially when it coming to school, because I always felt like I wasn't smart enough or I wasn't good enough to do what I was doing. And this class is starting to show me that I am. My entire time at CCU has shown me that I am good enough, I am smart enough to be doing this. I think that for communicating with my friends, it's getting better. I'm better at doing that than I have been in the past, especially now. But for me, communications is always something that is like, oh, I'm not super good at it. It's something that I've struggled. And this class has helped me a lot with that already. It's given me the opportunity to see like what makes a good friendship, especially for this past session. With the 4 parts of good friendship, loyalty is especially one of those things that's like, I want a friend who's going to be loyal, but I also want a friend who's going to be honest. And who's going to forgive me for when I do something stupid. Because I don't forgive myself a lot of times. I think that loyalty and honesty are 2 of the biggest things for me, because I've had friends in the past that have just been really good people, been really good friends for me, but then just one day just stabbed me in the back and just forgot about me. And I think that's really made me sort of weary when opening up to people, because like I don't want to open up to people if they're just gonna turn around and forget about me, or turn around and spread rumors around my back, behind my back. And that's something that's really just put me off to being open with people about who I am, what I want to do. I think that for me, especially when I'm trying to communicate with God, it's some sort of, I've never had the best solo relationship with God, simply because I grew up Catholic and we're not really taught how to communicate or how to listen for God. We're taught how to read the Bible and go to Mass and listen to the Gospels and receive communion, and that's it. That's really it. So I think that my time at CCU in general has really helped me to better understand Christianity in general, especially all the different versions of it, and how important the Bible is throughout Christianity. I think for me, my life is really good. I am very fortunate that I'm able to live at home while I'm in school. And I know the people around me are going to support me no matter what I choose to do. So I'm very happy and very thankful for that. I think being able to show my support and do what I can to show them that I'm thankful is going to be helpful, especially with the future